Now, how do I keep my food always nice and fresh, or my condiments? What you need is a vacuum sealer. See? Now, how about cheese? I like to keep the cheese nice and fresh. That's the way I do it. So I'm going to show you this product right now that keeps your food always fresh and ready. All right, so we have the vacuum here. I like the design, nice and elegant. Simple, you connect it to 110 volts. So it comes with the starter kit. So it comes with a bunch of bags you can use. This is the larger size, and it comes also with the small size as well. All right, and it's the casket, so it's good. And the accessory, this is nice if you want to use like the Tupperware style. So use this device, and like always, full instructions. Now, from here we can see the menu. So they have two modes. You have the soft mode and the standard mode if you like dry or wet. Seal only, right? And you have the vacuum and seal and the accessory. The accessory is if you want to use this, and then you can stop anytime. So the way to do it is we're gonna go. You can seal. Seal is good. Let's say now you have a bag. So let's open this. You can see. So also we have a cutter here. So we can cut. Let's say you buy the roll, or you want only half of the bag. Right? Let's say you need only half of the bag. So you can just cut the half of the bag, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna seal only. So let's do that first. So I'm gonna use half of the bag. All right, I just got that. So they said I need a tiny bag, right? So this is matching. You get the roll, right? Let's do this one. See, now this one is open both sides, as we see here, or you just buy the roll. So the way to do it, you're gonna put it right over here, close down. So close this first. Now with both hands, you press both on the side, and then you hear clack. Okay, so you need to press both hands. So we're gonna seal first. We wait until stops, the light stop, and that way it guarantees a perfect seal. And it's done. We're gonna press the two buttons on the side. We release, and now we have a nice seal bag. So if you buy a roll, right, you use this to cut. All right, so now let's put something inside. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say let's put some crackers. I'm gonna put the crackers here. I mean, you can put meat, whatever you want, right? And that way it will last longer, right? So we keep it right there. Make sure you are inside there, right? Yeah, so there, perfect. We're gonna press both hands, left, and that's it. So now we need seal only. It's not liquid, so we're gonna put it's dry, right? And we're gonna vacuum and seal. And now these crackers are gonna last forever. Well, not forever, but long time, more than the normal. So we wait. We have to wait until stop, and it's done. You can always stop it by pressing here. So we press the two buttons inside, and now that's perfect seal. So what happened now that will last much longer, right in the fridge. Not only that, you keep it nice and fresh. There's something I do like my condiments. You can see here, I keep my condiment this way, right? So I had a bunch of this, so I keep it right in the fridge, and I'm just open whatever I need, right? So I create the small packages, right? And this will last months instead to have like a few pounds of the condiment. This way, you got it done in a few grams each bag, and use whatever you need. How about cheese? Keep the good cheese this way, nice and fresh. So as you see, works perfect. Once again, you can keep the food for last long time. You're not gonna throw less stuff right in the garbage. And not only that, once again, you know, like these things, you keep it nice and fresh. We need to have a fruits or picnic, right? You're just going to picnic and you can vacuum seal whatever you need. A bunch of crackers, right? Good. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye.